Akhosi for Life, Kaizer Chiefs news. We are seeing Kaizer Chiefs being sponsored by Carling Black Label bafethu. But before we go there, ngiyacela bafethu ukuthi ni-subscribe, ni-like, ni-share, ni-comment, ni-follow naku-TikTok bafethu. Naku-Facebook i-page likhona lapha, True News Sport. Bafethu ngiyacela kakhulu ni-support ukuthi i-channel ikwazi ukukhula. Let's start by talking about Umatlo. I saw Umatlo going with the squad bafethu going to Egypt, Cairo, to play against Zamalek. I think it's a good thing while we see ukuthi sinama defender out, three of them, Carty, Cross, Miguel, they are not there with the squad to help his squad. So I think the likes of Umatlo, they can sacrifice Undlovu. Bafake Umatlo at least to come and bring that aggressive in the midfielder. Midfielder ibe aggressive. I think it will be good ngoba izonikeza noMabu i-chance yokuthi naye akwazi ukuthi adlale, because we saw the combo of uMabu no Matlo, they are playing better together more than Undlovu no Mabui bafethu. I'm not saying I deny the performance of Undlovu ayinikeza Kaizer Chiefs. It's great, but sometimes where we are not doing ama-favors bafethu, asenzelani i-favor ngoba siyayidinga le win lena on Saturday. Sidinga kakhulu and sibonile ukuthi no Duprez ukhona lapha, uhambe ne-team. So I think nakho I'm not sure about Duprez, especially no Mayo. I have seen him running around in the pitch. Kuze kuyophela umdlalo bafethu umjida ana one shot, angana even a shot on target, even a shot, like taking a shot. Yabona ukuthi it's like dangerous for the team to trust on someone like that. I think the boys, they need to work hard, especially bona boyithu Mayo no Duprez. Duprez, he has been long to Kaizer Chiefs. We have seen a lot of mistake. So I think une pressure enkulu kakhulu because of at the end of this season the team might sacrifice him. And then indaba kaMayo yena eyakhe enzima ngoba he's on loan, he's trying to prove himself ukuthi he can maybe get a permanent job in Kaizer Chiefs. So if he doesn't prove enough, then we are going to have a big problem. And then uChislett yena eyakhe indaba inzima because he has never even played for Kaizer Chiefs, even a single game. So it's difficult for him. I thought maybe he was going to be there, going with the squad, but I didn't see him on the squad that is going to Egypt. So, but so far, so good. I saw someone there, Ushinga, and I think it will give him confidence, Ushinga bafethu, ukuthi abe khona lapha kwi-squad bafethu. And then the last thing that I'm going to talk about, le Carling Black Label bafethu, the way ezoba lusizo olukhulu lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba we see Kaizer Chiefs struggling to buy players. Maybe it's because of financial problems, but because of sponsor bafethu, we know the sponsor for say Toyota naso. So I think coming together, Lama sponsors, it's going to be a good thing, bafethu, to see Kaizer Chiefs moving forward, trying to at least help the team win, bafethu. I hope Abo Popi nabo Jessica Mtaung, they will do better ukuthi bakhona ukubona i-Kaizer Chiefs functioning, because of i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu has been struggling for a very long time. I don't think it's going to be a good thing ukuthi iqhubeke istruggle, because they don't want to end up losing more fans, especially when kunama games are serious, and then you uthola ukuthi there is no one who's coming to the stadium because bayazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izohamba isifike isihlaze. But this season we have been watching Kaizer Chiefs very closely. Amajita ayenza kangcono